morning, people. Today is March 1, March the 1st. And today I have work 11 till 4, and then I'm going to be meeting a few of my friends and hopefully shooting a video, a little edit of the city, who knows. So I'm just going to take the camera along with me for the day and see what we get up to. So okay, I wish I could eat all that for breakfast, but I need to look after my health and my skin, and I don't want the shits for the day if I eat all that. Shit. Looks like it's something healthy. Make pie, cake. Is chocolate cake healthy? I think so. So pretty much the update is I'm vlogging off my phone right now because my camera's back there in my backpack. Backpack? Am I American? What the fuck? And yeah, I just couldn't be bothered to take it out, so I'm gonna take it out after work. I'm just in for a 4-hour shift, so I will catch you later. So basically the plan today was to go to work, come out, get a coffee, shoot a day in the life, do loads of fun things, but I came out of work and it was pissing rain. Anyways, you know what this means right now, so let's go get it! So, update on the day, nothing really exciting happened. I went to the tint event. It was some like fashion designers in Dublin. Clips to follow now. At St. Marky, you heard it.
Don't forget that ads, IG, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? About to work with Ben, shifting the culture.
Shifting the f***ing culture.
The Dublin culture, Irish culture.
No bad language, because one day we'll get that monetization. We want that cash, you hear?
That green thing, fam, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Ben, Ben a hard worker.
Also, shout out to Julia. She got a studio today and she's always been looking for one, so big things coming. Instagram handle, yours truly, Julia. On the screen now, right there, right there. All I can say is happy Sunday. It's raining outside right now. Let's have a look at this. I don't know if you could even see that right there, but it's lashing rain, so I don't know what I'm gonna do for today.
Hey guys, today is the daily vlog. We have to start every vlog with French press coffee, new and improved. That typical American vlogger. I'm dead, Joe, I'm dead.